Japan has long been a place for travelers wanting an amazing tourist destination that offers many distinctive experiences that cannot be found in any other part of the world. However, for many that finally find themselves on that long dreamt of journey, the sensory overload of most everything being entirely unfamiliar in social and cultural norms, dining, transportation, shopping, and simple day-to-day living means they might miss out on all the wonderful and subtle little nuances of experiencing the Japan that only locals and longtime residents know. But Kansai Fixer is here to help with that. When we are asked, what do you recommend we see and do on our visit to Japan? How do you define what a typical visitor to Japan might be? Are they here for grand walks through endless groves of cherry blossoms? Or interested in exploring the streets of the cities by day and dining in Michelin-starred eateries at night? And it is at that very point in our travel assistance where, regardless of one's desire to sit amongst the autumn leaves or find a spot alongside the homeward bound commuters, the recommendation of food options is often the first and easiest one for us to make. Even though Japanese cuisine is available around the world, and travelers to Japan are quite familiar with the types of dishes they had always wanted to try in the nation of its origin, it usually isn't long before the question of, "What is that?" starts playing on a loop in their minds and our ears. Japan offers everything from the generally recognizable to the, "Yeah, I think I know what that is, but I'm not entirely sure," to "I definitely know what that is, almost certainly, probably," to fish. That's fish, right? And this is not fish. But what is it? Pancakes? I don't know. Maybe we should just keep moving on? The great and grand world of local Japanese snack foods and souvenirs is one that so many visitors to the nation never take the time to experience because they just don't get it.
I don't get it.
These visitors come from a world of vast, sprawling supermarkets and big box members-only warehouse clubs. Need a snack or other special food item? No need to buy it at this local shop. I'm sure we can get that at our Asian supermarket back home, or at least one of the many convenience and drugstores near our accommodations. Opportunity missed. Japan is a nation made up of 47 prefectures. And while it is certainly true that each and every one of those prefectures has hundreds upon hundreds of supermarkets and convenience stores stocked with a seemingly endless array of snacks and goodies, of which a few dozen of those items could also possibly be found at your local Asian supermarket, that is not what we are talking about here. One of the more unique features about Japan that we have never found in our travels anywhere else in the world is that in each and every prefecture there are offerings of snacks and food souvenirs that the citizens of the area will claim as uniquely their own. And while the general characteristics of many of these snacks are similar in their base structure, the diversity of ingredients used from locally sourced products, unique to the prefecture, are what make local Japanese food souvenirs a must-try in each and every place a person might visit. In most any given city in Japan, there are always small, local producers of snacks and food souvenirs. And though these shops are frequently found in popular tourist areas, it's not uncommon to see snack makers that have been in business for decades, with their clientele made up almost entirely from the local community. Next up, from the small local producers and shops in tourist-heavy areas, come the larger but still local producers offering their goods in department stores, train stations, and yes, even supermarkets and convenience stores. Enter a convenience store inside a train station of any of the big city hubs, and not only will you be able to choose from the usual big brand selections of assorted soft drinks, candy, nuts, and chips, but also pick yourself up some locally produced treats made just that week in a shop a few blocks down the road. Feeling extra fancy that day? Grab yourself an edible work of art to go with your afternoon tea. And while you have the kettle on, peruse the literature detailing the great amount of time and care that went into producing your sweet treasure. When's the last time you did that with your bag of crisps and off-brand cola from the office vending machine? When asked about what food, drinks, or snacks do we most recommend to visitors to Japan, among the many suggestions we give will always be a somewhat vague challenge to simply grab a bag of whatever from a local shop. Kansai Fixer began in 2012 in the city of Nara. Nara is an equal distance of a 40-minute train ride from the cities of Kyoto and Osaka. It was established in the year 710 as the first permanent capital of Japan. It remained the capital from the year 710 to 740, and again from 745 to 784, before Kyoto became the capital from 794 until 1868. It was at that point in time that the Tokugawa shogunate moved the capital for the final time to Edo City, which was renamed to Tokyo, meaning the capital of the East. And while Nara is a city and prefecture filled with a rich history reaching back over 1,300 years, it's perhaps most well known worldwide for a particular group of residents around the city's center, the famous deer of Nara. Found primarily in and around Nara Park, there is a population of approximately 1,200 deer. If you visit Nara and travel to Nara Park, you're gonna meet a deer. Naturally then, when it comes to local Japanese snacks and souvenirs in Nara, everything is going to have the city's most iconic symbols represented somewhere on the packaging. So, do you get it now? Local Japanese snacks are an often overlooked treat that visitors pass by on their way to the international brands of fun-flavored Kit Kats and Pringles. And there's nothing wrong with that. By all means, grab yourself a bag of strawberry and sweet bean flavored Kit Kats and a tube of ramen Pringles. Just be sure to leave space in your tummy and suitcases for trying those local snacks as well. Not able to visit Japan, but still interested in trying local Japanese snacks? Bokksu is a fantastic option for getting authentic, local Japanese snacks from small, family-run businesses in Japan, delivered to over 70 countries. Check them out from the links in the description and help support Kansai Fixer's YouTube channel by giving them a try today.
Bokksu is a premium subscription box service for people to discover authentic Japanese snacks and teas from all over Japan. Their mission is to empower Japan's traditional snack makers by sharing their authentic food and stories with the world. They ship worldwide to over 75 countries, with many plan options available. Start with a single box purchase for yourself or enjoy increased savings for 3, 6 or 12-month subscriptions. Send gift boxes or digital gift cards to friends and family. Each box comes packed with snacks and detailed guides on each product's origins, flavours and allergens. Click on the links in the description to experience premium Japanese snacks from home, while also supporting small, family-owned snack makers in Japan. Discover Japan through snacks and give Bokksu a try today.